Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 12th of September. And first of all, national news. Union Minister shared pics of Matsya 6000, India's deep sea submersible. The West Bengal Education Department has announced the adoption of the state education policy. G20 over, but beautification will continue, Delhi government said. IIT Delhi researchers claimed to have done India's first soil erodibility mapping. Ahead of the G20 summit, statues, sculptures, and street furniture were installed in Delhi. Justin Trudeau's departure from the national capital has been delayed due to technical issues in his aircraft. Now, some international news. UK rolled out winter top up vaccines amid new COVID variant fears. Imran Khan seeked contempt proceedings against Pak jail official, a report said. 6.2 magnitude earthquake struck Indonesia's Halmahera. North Korea's Kim Jong un appeared to have set off for Russia, a report said. Kyiv said repossessed Black Sea oil platform in Moscow controlled since 2015. Now, some sports news. India versus Pakistan, Virat Kohli and KL Rahul scored centuries in the Asia Cup match. Virat Kohli surpassed Sachin Tendulkar to set massive world record in ODIs. Vidya Ramraj missed out on breaking PT Usha's record by 100th of a second. Rohit Sharma broke Sachin Tendulkar's all-time record with blazing 50 against Pakistan. Now, business-related news. Nifty hit all-time high, crossed 20,000 points. The stock hit, say, 10% upper circuit day after India-Europe trade corridor deal. Sensex rose 293 points in early trade as markets extend rally for 7th day. Now, news related to science. Artificial intelligence detected gallbladder cancer as accurately as radiologists in India, study said. Hyper telescope scientists shared new concept to giant telescope on moon. NASA shared dazzling shot of Pinwheel galaxy. It's 70% larger than our Milky Way. And that's all in news. Thank you.